when I was young, my sister told me she got butterflies in her stomach. I was terrified, so naturally I called the zoo. I was expecting some kind of hunters to come with these big old nets, and no, instead all I got was a lecture. It's not butterflies, it's an idiom. Well, I swore I would never get an idiom in my stomach. Yet, here we are. How am I supposed to be a man of my word if I can't even keep a word that I gave to myself? You want to know the biggest shock? It's about a girl. At least I think it is. I don't know. Like I said, I normally avoid this kind of thing. And people, which includes girls, but there just comes a time in all these feelings where you just can't keep ignoring it. You have to find the root. And if the square root of acute 10 out of 10 is love, solve for x, multiply my pain with a conversation. Oh. As if she heard my heart calling, here she is. Just 1 second. Hey! Yeah, I'll be at the dock soon, if that's cool with you. Okay. And I'll bring some coffee? Yeah, alright. I'll see you then. Smiley face. Yeah, I mean, in reality, these are texts, but that's no fun. Granted, neither are feelings. So the guy on my right shoulder, he's saying that I should tell it. The guy on my left shoulder says there's nothing to tell. And then the guy also on my right shoulder, next door to the other guy, is placing bets into how quickly into the conversation I lose my friendship. I don't know. Is this the right thing? Why am I even talking to you? You don't give me any input. I just want this burden off my shoulders and these tiny rude guys. Well, maybe the best smiles from Zip Lips. I mean, that's cute, right? Well, on the other hand, who can say no to this, right? Anybody with any sense, that's who. Wow, what a beautiful winter day to hang out by a pool. Super romantic.
Lucas.
Come on, stuff coming through.
I'd say.
You'd say?
Sorry, and thank you, and what's up?
I mean, you're seeing this, right? What is she, flirting? Is this 4D chess that I'm not really playing that well? I mean, vote in the comments. No, it's gotta be something. I gotta go for it. Cool. And you?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Is what's up.
Hey, come on, you know what I mean. Look, it's same old. Whatever you think is cool, it's that.
Very cool. I'd kill for same old though. Been stuck moving out.
Oh, that is the worst.
It is the worst.
It's terrible.
It's awful. But, I mean, you get through it.
I think I told myself I was going to tell her something here, but this is nice. The thoughts evaporate. Maybe I can just somehow stay right here forever. Maybe I can just stop talking.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Do you like me?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
You know what I mean. You're really nice, and hanging out with you is so much fun. It's just that sometimes you get this look in your eyes, and this stuff happens, and I just gotta make sure I'm not leading you on, right?
You're all good.
No. Hey. Look, I really care about you. Just not like, you know. If you need space or anything, it's cool.
maybe. No, I mean, we're good. And you're good. I'm good. Seriously, I guess it's just kind of weird hearing all this out loud. I mean, especially because it's so out of nowhere. I asked for that space she offered. Maybe it's good. Now I know. Instead of little dudes whispering in my ear, they're just running around my stomach, making a whole idiom of the place. Ugh. And I hate this. I don't even know if I want to date her. I just really like. Why? I hate talking to her.